We got Kuma opening boxes with us today. It's a mail time episode. Stay tuned.
Hold up, but I miss making them pay. Helipad from Will Smith crib straight to the stage. 3 forum shows, but I play staples today.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here with another episode of Mail Time. Today I am joined by the homie Kuma. Kind of, you can see him there in the corner. Say hi, Kuma. Anyway, we got 3 packages to open today. It's a good variety of stuff, so yeah, let's get right into it. I guess I should move this out of the way so you guys can see Kuma more. Alright, Kuma, first things first, we got this. You wanna open this? No? Okay. We got this package. I don't know why it's shipped in like this eBay thing. It's not from eBay. This is actually from bait.com. Bait is kind of like a hypebeast shop. They kind of have it all. They got like shoes, they got clothing, they got toys, they got a whole bunch of stuff on there. Pretty interesting company. But yeah, I guess they ship in eBay bags, so that's interesting. Because I miss on Nike and because I miss on Undefeated and I miss on all the regular sites that drop this stuff, bye, Kuma. Ended up finding a link for Bait, so I caught this on there instead. Let me show you guys what it is real quick. So it is a Nike collab with a company named Clot. So I don't know if you guys have seen this, but I guess they're following with like that same kind of mentality, I guess, of like, might as well capitalize on the World Cup, because they did a jersey with Clot, which is super sick. You guys can see their logo right there. But yeah, I guess it's like Clot's 15th anniversary. I'm pretty sure this says 15 on the front. Yeah, on the back it says swoosh 15, and I'm pretty sure it's because Clot has been in business for 15 years, but the jersey itself is really nice, man. So yeah, cop that off of Bait. Went super fast on Nike store. I don't know why so many people were trying to cop this, but yeah, I couldn't get it on Nike. Thankfully, Bait came through though. You wanna go out? All right, well, Kuma's out. So no Kuma anymore, that kind of sucks. That guy's the man. Next up, we got an interesting box. What's interesting about this is, I don't know, it was a very confusing drop. So this box comes from KAWS 1. It's actually KAWS website. Yeah, but anyway, they released like a new figure. I know you guys can see like a couple of the figures in the back. I'm pretty big on the artist KAWS. He's a really dope dude with some crazy nice designs. And he's pretty much solidified himself in like hypebeast culture. So yeah, big figure in the field. He dropped this new collection of figures called the Together series. I'll open it up right now and I'll let you guys know a little bit more about why it was a messed up drop and why I was kind of agitated with the entire release process. This is cool. This is the KAWS Open Edition Together packaging, I guess. It looks pretty nice. Jeez, they package this really nice. Okay, well, I give them that. At least they packaged it really nice. So these are the KAWS Together series. They're called Together because they actually are supposed to link up like this and they form a hugging KAWS companion. So it's kind of like you got 2 companions in one, which I thought was pretty neat. Price was pretty steep at $300 though, plus like $40 shipping or something. It was a pretty high shipping. So the reason why I'm irritated with that drop though is because it was a bad drop. The website crashed on the release time, so nobody copped anything. And a lot of orders were like in cart and then you were trying to process through, but then when you got through the end, it said, okay, there's an error or whatever. So it irritated a lot of people, me especially, because I had work like right after. So I was like, shoot, this sucks. Kept trying. And eventually one went through and I got the email confirmation for it after like an hour of them like fixing the servers and stuff. Even KAWS, I think, had to put up an Instagram post apologizing for the bad drop. So that's how you know it was a kind of a big deal for a lot of people. But the problem was that I ordered 3 when I only ordered this 1. And you know, at the time I was like, okay, that sucks because I don't want 3. 2 extra orders went through and I didn't know because, I mean, their website was messed up. So it wasn't like a hold charge. They actually took the money from my bank account, which pissed me off because I was like, you can't just take $680 from somebody's bank with not giving them a product in return. So I was really mad. Talked to customer service for like literally 2 weeks because their customer service is terrible. It takes them way too long, even though they know they messed up on drop day. So that pissed me off. But anyway, eventually everything did get refunded. It took like 2 weeks though. And again, $680 is a pretty big hold, so I was kind of mad. But at the time I was like, I wouldn't be so mad if they gave me like 3 of these sets, because there was a point in time where they were selling online for 600 bucks almost, which would be like 200 something dollars profit or whatever. So you know what, I wasn't even mad at the time. And now it came down, I think it's only like 400 something for one of these. So yeah, there's still resale value, but at the same time, I'm like, it's fine. Because I wanted to keep this because it is a nice piece. I mean, it's showing togetherness, which is nice. It's a good concept, you know? That was cool. Everything worked out, but yeah, you can't hold charges for 2 weeks when it's that big of a number without responding for like a couple days. That was messed up. Enough complaining. I know it sounds like a lot, but if that happened to you guys, I'm sure it would be a pretty irking situation as well. On to the next box. All right, so the last box comes to us from Nike.com. I knew this was gonna happen, and it's kind of irritating because I knew it was gonna happen and I just didn't have the patience for it. So let me show you what it is and then we'll talk about it. So if you guys are avid viewers of Mail Time, you guys already know that I copped a pair of these like actually not too long ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, something like that. But I did cop a pair of these. They did release on Sneakers app though, which I knew was gonna happen because it has to release on Sneakers app. They were doing like the sneakers location drops where it was like wherever they were touring, they would drop it in somewhere in that city and then you could pick it up if you were close to that zone or whatever. But I knew they were gonna do a wide release and I'm not sure why. I kept thinking in my head like you should just cop it now because it was low. Prices of these did rise back up and I actually bought that pair for what competitive resale is now, like $150 or something like that, which was cheap at the time. But yeah, when you get it for retail at 100, it's way different. So yeah, kind of bummed about that, but I did need a second size because if you guys don't know, Cortez, I guess, run very like small. So I had a 10.5 and it was tight on my feet. So now I got an 11 instead. So hopefully this one's a little bit better. But yeah, really nice shoe. Kendrick Lamar's the man, guys. I don't know what to say. It seemed like it was a relatively easy drop. I've heard a lot of people copped on these, so if you guys did want them, that's cool. It is a plain shoe, like I said in that last video, but I don't know. Kendrick Lamar's the man, so I had to cop a pair that I can actually fit, you know? And yeah, now I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that 10.5. I'll probably put it online, and you guys can buy it at the web store. Link is in the description below. I put all my shoes and my Hype Beast unboxings and my mystery unboxes on the website, so check it out. It's updated periodically. Yeah, so you never know what's on there. Anyway, that's it for Mail Time. Like I said, good diversity. Not a bad unboxing if you ask me. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!